Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're learning how to draw a cute and playful puppy dog. So first off, we want to start in the middle of our page and we're going to draw a upside down egg shape. So starting at the top, I'm going to draw a light line, slightly curving, and a little bit longer and narrower at the bottom. And we'll do the same thing on the other side. Coming down and meeting at the bottom. Then we'll go ahead and add our eyes. So in the middle of our egg shape is where we want to place our eyes. You can go ahead and put a little dot here and then a little dot here, showing where we're going to place our eyes. We'll go ahead and add our circular eyes here. Another one on this side. Just like that. And then what we'll do next is come about halfway between the eyes and the bottom, and we're going to draw our nose. So what we'll do is just draw a rectangle, but more rounded, coming to about the end of our eyes here. Just about like that. And then in between the nose, we're going to draw just a line showing the separation in the lip. And then we'll draw a diagonal line down this way. And then just wrap it around, meeting the end of our oval shape. And then we'll do the same thing on the other side. Just like that. Then we can add in a cute little tongue. So straight line down, curving around, and meeting on the other side. And then we'll draw a little line in the middle of the tongue, and two curves at the top. And there's our tongue. Then we'll draw some eyebrow shapes above each eye. One there, one there. Why don't we go ahead and draw the pupil and iris areas of the eyes. We're going to have him looking down and forward. So we'll draw the circle towards the bottom. Just like that. Alright. So then we'll draw two little lines here indicating the shape of his nose. Then we can come back to the nose and just draw a little half circle down here. This is going to be the area for our highlight. And why don't we go back and add our ears? So we'll, actually let's do the paws first. So starting about where his nose starts, we're just going to do a half circle. Come on around to there and stop. And then we'll start about right here with another line. Come around and stop. And starting here again, come down and around and stop. So we want to repeat that paw on the other side. So starting about the top of the nose, we're going to draw around. And we want to try to stop where the other paw stops. Come down and around and stop there. Come back up, draw a line down, around, and stop. And again down and around, and go ahead and meet the top of the paw there. There's our two paws. I'm gonna clean this one up a little bit. Now we can draw the arm. So we're gonna go ahead and have the arm come up to behind the head, just like this. And do the same on the other side. Right there. Okay. Now let's get back to the ear. So starting up here on the corner of the egg shape, we'll draw a line up. And then we can draw the same line on the other side, going up. And then we'll do a line at a different angle coming down to about right there where his eyebrows are. So we'll do the same on the other side. Just like that. Now we're going to draw a line coming in this direction all the way down to about where his arm is. Do the same on the other side. Right there. And we're going to take this ear line and curve it back up, and we're going to come across his side of his face right here. And stop just before we get to the top. And then we'll do the same thing on the other side. Just like that. So now we can come back in with our eraser, taking away this extra part of the egg shape. Okay. It's looking pretty cute. So now we'll move on to the back side of the puppy. So we're going to have him looking like he's kind of standing up on his back legs. So we'll follow the outline of the oval and just continue it up as we get to the top of the ear. We're just going to bring it on up at an angle. So we'll do the same thing on the other side. Follow that line. And then we will connect those two lines in the middle. Just like that. Then we can draw a couple of lines indicating wrinkles in his back. There we go. Let's go ahead and give him a cute curly tail. Start and put a nice little curve in there. Do the same on the other side. And at the top, we'll just round it off. And I think we should add a little bit of a indication of a wrinkle in his forehead. So we'll just draw a nice little curved line there. And then when we're ready to fill in the eyes, we'll want to have a highlight area. So we'll just kind of draw a little bit of a circle here, half circle. Same thing on the other side. Just like that. And then we're going to come back in and we're going to fill in the eyes here and there. So what this puppy is so excited about is he wants to get a ball, a toy that's right in front of him. So let's go ahead and draw that toy in. So we're going to draw a round ball here that he's ready to play with. Circles can be hard to draw, so just take your time. And there we go. So that's the end of our cute puppy layout. So let's go ahead and get our Sharpie, and we will trace our line and get it ready for marker. And I think that's pretty good. So now we have our puppy all laid out, our line work all done. We'll give that a little bit of time to dry, and then we can come back and erase our pencil lines, and then we'll be ready to color. Okay, so I think that should have been enough time for the ink to dry enough to come back and erase our pencil lines. So we'll go ahead and start at the top, or anywhere that you like where you see some pencil lines. We're going to go over there and erase out the pencil because we don't want the marker to smear with the ink when we're coloring. I'm going to be coloring this with marker, but you can use crayons or colored pencils, anything that you have available. Okay, got most of it there. See a little bit more. So that brings us to the end of this video on how to draw a cute, playful puppy dog. If you want to continue and see how I color this dog, please click on the video link at the end of this video, and you can watch the video on how I color it with marker. But thank you so much for tuning into this video. I really appreciate you watching. I hope that you enjoyed it, and if you did enjoy it, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. You can hit the notification bell to be notified when I put out new videos. I try to put out a video at least once a week. So thank you so much for joining, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.